IPC Advanced Packaging Symposium is bringing us together to help the government as well as industry understand that advanced packaging is critical to the success of the semiconductor ecosystem.
Semiconductor chips on their own, while expensive, while impressive, while technologically advanced, are actually quite useless without that packaging around them. So advanced packaging is the rest of that electronic component.
Advanced packaging is really critical because the combination of performance, reliability, cost, and functionality that future consumers are really demanding can only be met by integrating silicon chips through an advanced packaging process.
If I could ask industry to do one thing, it would be to get engaged, get involved, and understand the opportunities, as well as share information with each other and government officials so that the right programs can be developed to support where we're going.
Government needs to recognize that this is not a short-term project that we're going on with this CHIPS Act. It's a really long-term game. It's a long game. And you can't just write a quick check and be done. And it's not that you're looking for just grants, you're looking for partnerships and cooperation and understanding.
Our big call to action to government is that they ensure that as they implement the CHIPS Act and other programs, that they are continuing to understand the really unique role that advanced packaging has in driving innovation, and that they are supportive of that innovation both from a funding sense as well as from a policy sense.
Our call to action to our industry colleagues and to governments worldwide is to stop talking and to start investing and acting now.
What kind of investment, what size of investment might be necessary for the federal government to make a difference? And it's very different from these $3 billion per fab investments on a $20 billion fab. $50 or $100 million can really make a difference in growing the value chain, the supply chain in the United States.
All we've done is lengthen the supply chain, not shorten it. We're going to need more advanced packaging capability in the U.S.
The fact of the matter is that advanced packaging is driving semiconductor innovation, and we need to make sure that that reality that everybody within the industry understands is reflected in government policy. And so part of our message to those government speakers who are participating and government attendees who are participating is that we need to make sure that as we implement the CHIPS Act here in the United States and as the European Union implements the CHIPS Act there, that they are properly and sufficiently integrating advanced packaging support so that we can make sure that we develop these robust ecosystems in order to really realize the goals that we have set around semiconductor innovation, resiliency, and security.
This conference has been full of insights about technologies that are on the horizon. I realized here talking to experts and to leaders that advanced packaging is key to delivering those technologies. So some of these things we take for granted won't be available to us in the future if we don't build out the advanced packaging ecosystem today.
We have industry leaders from international as well as national regions here. We have large companies and small companies. So the interaction that we're seeing here at the conference has been outstanding.
The value of this symposium, especially being face-to-face, has been incredible. It's one of the first symposiums that's been brought together to talk about this concern, which is advanced packaging. There have been a lot of symposiums on semiconductors, also printed circuit boards, but we failed to think about that middle interconnect. And so now we are with each other to discuss what the problem is and to find the vital solutions we need that need to be quick. We need to do something now rather than later.